Welcome to the X-PHY SSD step-by-step integration guide. Before you start installing your X-PHY SSD, make sure you have everything ready. Confirm that your SSD is compatible with your laptop. Have a small Phillips head screwdriver on hand if needed. Wear an anti-static wristband to stay grounded and prevent static damage to your SSD and internal components during installation. Next, power off your laptop and unplug all power sources. Then, use a screwdriver to carefully remove the back panel screws. Gently open the panel to access the internal components. Now it's time to locate the M.2 2280 slot, where the SSD will be installed. The exact location can vary depending on your laptop, so it's a good idea to check your laptop's manual or the manufacturer's website for guidance. On most laptops, you'll find the M.2 slot beneath the panel on the bottom of the device. Next, if there is currently a drive already installed, carefully unscrew and remove it. Now it's time to integrate your X-PHY SSD. Ensure that the SSD's notches align with the M.2 slot, then gently slide it in. After inserting the SSD into the M.2 slot, secure the drive by tightening the screw to keep it firmly in place. Once the SSD is secured, carefully put the back panel back in place and tighten all the screws back in. With that, your X-PHY SSD integration is complete and ready for Windows operating system installation. Please visit our X-PHY website for more information. Thank you for watching, and we appreciate your time.